Hey guys, I'm Sniti, your French educator from Master French with Sniti, and today we are going to start with a new chapter of Apprenons le Français Part 1, which is published by the Saraswati House, and the name of the chapter is Compton Ensemble. So let's go. So here we are at the chapter number 2, Leçon 2, which is Compton Ensemble. Now, what do we mean by that? That means let us count together. Before starting anything, I may tell you कि इससे पहले जितने भी चैप्टर्स थे वो हमने पढ़े और अंडरस्टैंड किए, समझ लिए. बट अब जो ये चैप्टर आ गया और इसके आगे के जितने भी चैप्टर हैं वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं क्योंकि वो आपकी फ्रेंच को एक बेस देते हैं. तो मैं रिकमेंड करती हूँ आप लोगों को कि जब मैं ये आपको समझाऊँगी तो फिर आपको अटेंशन देनी होगी बहुत ज़्यादा. Now, coming to the first segment, here we have the French alphabets and there is a short note written for us, that is, French alphabet is the same as English alphabet but the pronunciation is different. Let us learn the way they are pronounced. So first, do remember that I am going to tell you in English and then I'll read the pronunciation in French. Here, going on to the first table, we have A as A, B as B, C, say, D, day, E, F, G, H, ash. Then we have I as E. Then going on to the next table, here we have J as G, K as K, L as L, M as M, N as N, O as O, P as P, Q as Q, R as R, S as S, T as T, U as U, V as V, W as W, X as X, Y as Y, and Z as Z only. Then going on to the next segment, here we have the accents. So in this, first we'll understand the types of accent and then we'll learn what are accents. So the first one we have is accent aigu and then we have accent grave. So here I recommend you an activity to do at home in which I want you to make a mountain and at the climbing side name it as A, the going down side name it as G. So as you can see in accent aigu, it is looking like the climbing side of the mountain. So A for aigu, and if we see of accent grave, it is looking like the climbing down side of the mountain. So G for grave. Now let us learn them with some examples. So the first one here we have baby, which is baby. Then we have fée. Fée is fairy. Then the examples of accent grave are sorcière, which is wizard, and mère, which is mother. Then going on to the next page, here we have the first one as accent circonflexe. So it is nothing but like an umbrella above the letter. Then the examples are tête and boîte. Tête is for head and boîte is box. Then going on to the next one, we have it as sadil. So the sadil is put under C. The first one is garçon, which is boy, and français is French. So français is a nationality that you will learn in the other chapters. If you are an Indian, then you will be pronouncing me as Indian. But the one who is French, we pronounce it as French insan as well. So français is the French word for the people of France. Now going on to the next one, we have accent tréma. It is nothing but two dots above the word. Now going on to the examples, here we have Noël, which is Christmas, and heroine, which is heroine. Now let us understand what are accents. Accents are small signs placed on certain letters of French alphabet, mainly vowel, to make a difference in sound. Now why is it said that only on certain letters? जब जैसे कि एक लेटर है गार्सों, तो फिर उसमें GARCON इन सब पे तो एक्सेंट नहीं लग सकती है, तो सिर्फ कुछ लेटर्स और वो ज़्यादातर वॉवल्स होते हैं. तो in some letters, certain letters of French alphabets, mainly vowel, and why are they used? They are used to make a difference in sound. Now going on to the next one. So here we have some dialogues. As you remember, in chapter 1 we have read about the salutations. So using them, here are the dialogues made. So first one is Bonjour tout le monde. Hello everyone. Bonjour monsieur. Hello sir. Je suis professeur de français. I am the professor of French. Je m'appelle François Lejour. I am François Lejour. Excusez-moi, monsieur. François comment? Excuse me, sir. After François, what is it? It is Lejour. Now we have the capital letter, which is the spelling of Lejour. Now we'll read it in French pronunciation. Then here we have L-A-Z-U-R-E. Now going on to the second part, écoutez puis répétez, which means écoutez, listen and then repeat. Here we have three conversations. First is Comment vous appelez-vous? What is your name? Pedro Garcia. It is Pedro Garcia. Appelez s'il vous plaît. Can you spell it? Pedro Garcia, which is P-E-D-R-O, Pedro. G-A-R-C-I-A, Garcia. Now, tu t'appelles comment? Which is what is your name? And that is François Pignon. Then we have ça s'écrit comment, which is can you spell it? Here we have it on the next page. I want you to pronounce these letters collectively by yourself. This is your homework. And then going on to the next conversation, vous vous appelez comment, which is what is your name? Bertin Lauren, which is I am Bertin Lauren. Appelez s'il vous plaît, can you spell your name? It is Bertin and Lauren. I want you to read these numbers and these letters collectively by yourself. This is your homework as well. So here we have the part 1 as done, and we'll cover the leftover part in the next part of the video. I hope that you liked the video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.